so we're inside. Meron na?
Hindi, wala to. Ito, wala to.
Meron na?
Hagdan lang to dati, hindi to covered dati.
Oh, yeah?
Oh. Tapos yung van na yan, dyan lang yan, wala yung mga bahay-bahay.
Ah, oo, wala yan.
Yan, parang ganito.
Bahay lang
dati.
yan.
Parang ganito na may hagdan na.
Oh, tingnan nyo yung trash can nila, oh. It's like a cow. Ay, shucks. Picture. Good morning, everybody. Hey, awesome people. We are now here at Ben&Jerry in Vermont, US. And we are here because the kids are on vacation. It's their first day of no school, so we decided to take them here. It's only a short drive from Montreal. It's about 2.5 hours. So let me show you around, okay? So cute for the babies. Look at that, their merchandise. It's all Ben&Jerry ice cream. There you go. And that's the Ben&Jerry ice cream. So look at this, guys. Scoop shop, Flavour Graveyard, tour lobby, playground, retail shop, restroom, and ticket sales. So here's the Ben&Jerry camper truck. There you go. So later we'll have a picture here. Look at the view, guys. It's gorgeous. It's really gorgeous here in Vermont. It's mostly mountains with green trees. Later na lang. Ito rato. Yeah, ito rato. Yan. Ito.
Ito sa airplane po siya, automatic na yung data.
Oh, yeah. As you can see, guys, grabe ang dami nilang flavors. Look at that. O, diba? It's a wall of flavors.
Don't worry, there'll be no shortage of cow puns today. We are at Ben&Jerry's, of course. But welcome, everybody. My name is Cole. I'll be your tour guide today. So I'm going to be taking you guys on a 3-car tour of our...
Teka lang, it's coming, it's coming. Mukha nga, masarap. Pero ako, favorite ko cheesecake eh. This is my favorite flavor, cheesecake. Yes? Fish nga! Eh, sabi ko, na-choke ako sa fish. Kasi konting fish, oh. Look, oh. O, diba? Oh, it's a fish flavor, guys. Fish flavor. That's what it says. Chunky monkey. Where's the monkey there? So this is their factory. Okay. Milk. Cream and cream. And these are their top 10 flavors. The milk and cookie. Number 10. Number 9 is the chunky monkey. Number 8 is American Dream. The fish food. Number 7. That's a night though. Jimmy Fallon. Number 5, chocolate fudge. Strawberry cheesecake. Number 4, chocolate chips cookie dough. Number 3, cherry Garcia 2, and half baked. Their number 1 flavor. Okay guys, so these are the companies that they support or organizations that they support. So, Caring Dairy, Happy Farmers, Happy Planet, there you go. Good job. Butter. They also have a canoe. I wonder if they're gonna do adobo flavor. Kaberry kaboom. They discontinued the. Oh, it's only a year. The piña colada. Could have been good. Could have been good. Thank you for visiting our dearly